Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Messages from the Universe. We have with us Miss Kausa Sultana. Hello, Kausa. Welcome to the show.
Hi Anupam, thank you. Adab, thank you so much.
Kausa, you'll be glad to know that this YouTube series, which we are running with you, has received immense response, and we are flooded
Fantastic.
with the questions on our DM.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
without any delay, let me put out the question to you because we are also very excited about this because this question itself is so exciting. So,
Okay.
initially, the scenario which we are in right now, and when the lockdown happened in the
Hmm.
entire world, there was a lot of perspective about the pollution, that the pollution was going down, and many people, came up with the theory that the earth is healing itself,
Hmm.
and there was literally less pollution. So, the question is that also with this one theory, which is that the earth is healing itself, and there's another theory which we are seeing right now is there are a lot of natural calamities which are happening across the world, be it floods, be it earthquakes, be it even the man-made things like plane crash, blast in chemical factory. There are
Hmm.
so many things which are happening right now.
Hmm.
So we should bringing these two theories together. The
Hmm.
question is that is there a thing which Mother Nature is trying to tell us through this, and what is the message for the humanity from Mother Nature, if you could tell us.
All right. Lovely question. Thank you so much. So this is not just a message from the universe, but it is also going to be a message channel from the Earth energy herself.
Yes.
Uh, Fantastic. This is going to be a very different experience for me because I'm going to be channeling messages simultaneously from the universe and from the earth as well. So that the word that came out from the earth energy is consequences, and the words that came out from the universe's message is the snowball effect. Okay,
Okay.
so what I'm receiving from both these energies, which are entwined, so to say, right,
Yeah.
is that whatever the humans did, there's like a two-part answer that I'm getting. Whatever we humans have been doing over centuries, over years and years, decades and decades, right? So the snowball effect,
Yeah.
right? So it's not like suddenly just because in the last 6 months we've just stopped doing stuff, we've just stopped going out. So suddenly, Earth is supposed to also um, become acceptable and become all fine. And the
Yeah.
question which came up is why so many natural calamities still, when one side the pollution has definitely dropped. So from
Yes.
the earth the message is pollution uh, reading has dropped,
Okay.
but the consequences of the pollution are still showing the what you're seeing. It's the
Yeah.
snowball effect. Whatever has been happening for years,
Yeah.
it is still showing. So that's what the one message is coming, right? For people to
Okay.
understand. It's like this is a very human. It's a very human way of thinking, right? Isn't it, Anupam?
Yeah.
You would
Yes.
understand that
Yes.
I'm now not doing anything wrong. So why is still bad
Yes.
things happening?
Exactly. Yes.
Right? But it's like, what about all the time that we have been doing? So that's still
Yeah.
showing the effect. That is one.
Okay.
The second part, which is very interesting, what is coming from this is from uh, both. It's a combined message again coming.
Yeah.
So earlier, a lot of people were actively being ignorant. Please listen to the words. Actively being ignorant to these calamities, whether natural or man-made. Not man-made, but like for example the one you talk about, the plane crash and things like that. So it's not so it's not natural disasters, but it's also these kind of disasters that are happening. So a lot of people were actively ignorant to such news. Okay, what we mean by that, when I say we, I'm speaking collectively, is we would make a conscious effort not to read about it because it was very disturbing. Right? And most of it was very traumatic, and we felt we can't really do anything about it. Okay, it's happened, I read about it, I heard about it, but there's nothing that I can do to contribute. So there was a very tiny amount of people comparatively who would be, reaching out, and majority would just say, yeah, we heard about it. It would be something like happening in discussions. Having said that, now what has happened is this whole lockdown has shifted the energy of consciousness so much in each human being that they have opened their eyes to everything that is happening around. So therefore, things that were already happening, they're still continuing to happen, but it is appearing to us as so much is happening in 2020. When is all of this going to stop? But if we can if there are people who would be interested, if we really look back, these are calamities that have continued year after year after year. Right? So the message from now, to answer that key question, what is the message from Mother Earth to all of us, is compassion. Compassion is one thing that has actually almost on the verge of vanishing from the vibration of humans. Okay, animal kingdom. We're seeing so many documentaries and photographs who used to pray each other. They are also taking them in. Compassion is coming so naturally for them, right? But for humans, that was almost on the verge of vanishing, and that needs to rekindle in all of us. The energy of compassion is what the dear Mother Earth is asking us to really start awakening and acting upon it. Not just feeling compassion, but small actions from compassion. So that's the message from here for all of us.
Wow. Amazing that we have this message, the double message from the universe and Mother Earth on this episode, for messages from the universe. And I am sure that people will, whoever is watching this video, will be compassionate and will actually do the action to improvise. And ultimately, this is the place where we all belong, Mother Earth. So thank you so much, Kaustubh, for this lovely message. And for all the viewers who are watching, we'll be back next week with another question. Till then, see you.
Thank you. God bless you all.